Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS on HP laptop. To do this, first we'll need to power off our laptop entirely, so make sure it's shut down. Shut down anyway. Wait a few moments, and now let me show you which buttons we'll need to press. So there's the power key. So this will power on our laptop, obviously, and then we need to find F10 button, which is located right here, and then now start clicking on F10 button, and then click on the power key to power on your laptop, and keep pressing on F10 until you see BIOS, and here we have it. So save changes and exit no, and here's all of the BIOS settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.